I joined the ACM, and I joined a couple of
Aerospace Component Manufacturers,
and I started doing some trade shows. It was like the first year. I just started getting involved with these organizations, going to trade shows, trying to learn from other more successful companies and companies that I liked. And I think I told you this, but I came upon Joining Technologies.
Right.
And I met, I think it was Michael Francoer, and then I met his son, Matt Francoer, that I was working at the time, and he invited me to see his shop, and it was really gracious and open. Made me sign the NDA, obviously, because we're a welding company. But I thought right there, I said, "Man, this is really cool. This guy's a welding shop. We're a welding shop, and he's going to allow me to come in this facility."
Well, I think that speaks a lot, right, to something that we're talking about. Not to interrupt you, we'll get back to it, but really about building an ecosystem here in Connecticut, right? There's been a big resurgence in manufacturing. We'll talk some more about that. But it's just so important in the ecosystem to understand that rising tide lifts all boats. We got to work together, whether it's workforce, whether it's business generation, whether it's improving the business climate, whether it's just learning and helping people grow.